Hi, we're watching this YouTube video. It's called Jonas Brothers Making Funny Noises. Seriously, it's funny.
Okay. Here.
By something.
You're in the big. Okay.
Okay.
Let's play in there.
Okay, wait.
Oh my God, Nick, you're so hot.
Oh, of course he has a grill.
Look!
You don't know what the letter is. This is the letter Hold on.
Girl.
Guys, but it's 3 against 1. Alright, what? Arm wrestling.
The heck?
Show me your arm.
This one. Like that.
One week! It's fun, it's like, oh.
That was so funny. Okay, let's watch it again. Hold on.
Let's watch it again.
One week! It's fun, it's like, oh.